everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add items to Wishlist on AliExpress application. So let's get started right away. Launch open AliExpress application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, use the search bar at the top of the screen and find the product you want to add to your wish list, or go ahead and select one of the products from your home page. Once you find the product you'd like to add to your wish list, you'll be able to see a little heart icon right above the image at the top right. Simply tap on the heart icon and you'll be able to add the product to your wish list. You can now go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right from the main home page and then scroll down to see your wish list. Now, from your wish list, you can organize and categorize your saved items, remove items you no longer are interested in, and add notes or comments to specific products. So that is how you can easily add a product to your wish list on AliExpress. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.